All right, we have got an unboxing here, so let's go ahead and open it up. Got another order here from Minoway Knives. You can find these on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the description. All right. Excellent looking box here. Brown. And the texture, the appearance makes it look like a football. Pretty interesting. Let's open it up here. The packaging, we got in this bag, all individually packaged. Very nice. This bag, we got a leather sheath. Check that out. Look at that detail on there. Belt loop on the back. Some additional, this looks all hand worked, hand tooled. What's that say there? I can't really tell. But that is a really nice leather sheath. You get an Allen key or hex key, whatever you want to call it here, to work on this knife. You can get a cleaning cloth, a storage pouch, and last but certainly not least, let's take a look at the knife, because that is what you're really here for. And again, excellent packaging from Minoway Knives. Let's check out the blade. All right, we got a lanyard with a skull bead. How cool is that? We got a flipper knife. Look at this. This scroll work on the bolster, and we got a black carbon fiber scale. Boom. Big blade here with a sub hilt as part of the handle. I think this is a 3.8-inch blade. Look at that nice Damascus pattern. This is a VG10 steel. I believe they advertise it as 67 layers of Damascus. Wow, what a beautiful knife from Minoway Knives. How about we set it here on the tabletop and you can get a bit of a closer look. So again, here's that box, like a football looking thing. Very cool. And then let's take a look at this knife. Ooh, man, that is a nice blade. Look at the scroll work on the bolster. I guess it's even a Damascus type pattern on that sub hilt there. So you can really lock in and get a firm grip on this knife. Then we got this nice marbled carbon fiber. And here is that skull bead on this lanyard cord they have. Come here, skull. Yeah, check that out. Pretty badass. Yeah, nice grip. Let's bring out the sheath here. Yeah, just look at that up close. Nice leather work. Really neat package from Minoway Knives. Notice it looks like there's a bit of oil on the blade, so we can take out this cleaning cloth they provide and clean that off. We're not in any threat of rust today. Just wipe that clean. Look at that Damascus pattern. Here's a piece of paracord. We'll see if they put a decent edge on this that's sharp enough to cut some cordage. Oh yeah, we are sharp here. We are certainly sharp. So guys, again, this is an awesome, beautiful Damascus folding knife from Minaway Knives. Again, link in the description to find this on Amazon.